In this video, I will show you how you can send the automated SMS to new ClickFunnels contact. So using ClickFunnels, you can create the website, landing pages and sell your product. And whenever a new contact is created in ClickFunnels software, I will show you how you can immediately send an SMS to the very same contact using an SMS application ClickSend automatically. Want to learn how you can also automate this process? Then come with me and I will show you everything step by step. So this is my ClickFunnels dashboard and I will open this funnel and will submit a form, and as soon as a contact is created by submitting the form, you will see how an SMS will be sent to the same contact. Well, here in this video I am sending the SMS using this ClickSend application. In place of that, you can select any other application for sending the SMS. But to automate this whole process, firstly I will have to build a connection in ClickFunnels and ClickSend application, which I am going to do with the help of software called as Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation software. I am an existing user, so I am already logged in Pabbly Connect. You can create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from the sign up free button. And in the free account, you will also get free tasks to test these kind of amazing automation. Now, once you will log in and reach out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, click on this blue button that is create workflow and then provide a random name to your workflow to your automation. Okay, so I have directly pasted the name as send automated SMS to new ClickFunnels contact automatically. Okay, and after that I am also going to choose the folder in which I would like to create this workflow. Okay, so how about I go with this main workflow. Okay, and after providing the name, simply click on create and then you will find 2 boxes. So these boxes are called as trigger and action, and here the trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So whenever something happen in the first application, then automatically do this in the next application. Okay, so this is how you need to always choose the applications in this trigger and the action window in which you are building an automation. Okay, so according to our use case, we want that whenever a new contact is created in this ClickFunnels application, okay, let me correct the spelling, then automatically send the SMS using ClickSend application. Okay, so in this way I will be selecting both the application in this trigger and the action window. And now the idea here is, first of all, I will connect a ClickFunnels with Pabbly Connect and will capture the contact data. Then I will connect Pabbly Connect with the ClickSend and will send the SMS. Okay, so let us connect a ClickFunnels with Pabbly Connect. So firstly I will select the trigger event, that is new contact created. You can also read the instructions. Triggers when a new contact is created. So yes, I want to perform the same. I want that whenever a new contact is created in ClickFunnels, this automation should trigger, or we can say the contact data should be captured via Pabbly Connect. Okay, so for which I will have to build a connection using this webhook URL. Okay, so the instructions for the same are already given. Kindly follow these instructions. Now copy this webhook URL, go back to the dashboard of ClickFunnels, then click on the settings section. Then you will have to select this webhook option. In the last you will find the webhook option. Now I will create a new webhook by clicking on this add new endpoint button, and after that, first of all, I will paste the same URL which I have just got from Pabbly Connect. Then I will provide a random name, something like connection with Pabbly, asking for the event type. But before that, I will also have to correct the spelling of this with. Okay, asking for the event type, so I'll select the same, that is contact created. Okay, now clicking on this create endpoint button, and as soon as I do that, endpoint was successfully created. That means the connection in ClickFunnels and Pabbly Connect is done. And in order to test this connection, I will follow the instructions, which is saying, now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do a test submission record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Okay, so basically it is asking to do a test submission or record, and here the test submission means creation of a new contact in ClickFunnels. Okay, so yes, I am going to perform the same. First of all, I will open the funnel section and then I will open some random funnel. Here you can notice I have already created a dummy page, a dummy funnel, and here I have also attached a form. So with some dummy details, I am going to submit this form. Okay, so dummy is the first name of the person, customer is the last name of the person. In the email ID, I will provide the details, something like dummy customer 4321, then @ pabblytuts.com. Okay, and in the mobile number I'll go with the same value, and again this is just a dummy phone number. Now clicking on submit, and as soon as I do that, you will notice that the same details will be captured via Pabbly Connect. Okay, so fingers crossed, waiting for the response. And here you can notice the response is already received. Okay, so I will show you the details one by one. Here we have the event type as contact created. Here we also have other details like the same phone number, the same last name of the customer, the first name, the email ID, and other details. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between ClickFunnels and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. Okay, so now onwards what will happen? Every time a new contact is created in ClickFunnels, the details will be captured via Pabbly Connect instantly, because this trigger will instantly capture new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. Okay, so in this way the first step of our automation is done. Now moving further, I am going to send the SMS to the very same contact on this particular phone number. Alright, but currently this is a dummy number, so don't worry about that. I will replace this number with my genuine number, and then I'll show you how SMS can be received. Okay, so the application is already selected, and again telling you it is not compulsory that you send the SMS using ClickSend only. If you want, you can also search for the Twilio or SMS Horizon. A lot of SMS applications are available inside the integration library of Pabbly Connect. Okay, so you can select your favorite application, but according to our use case, I'll go with the same, that is ClickSend application only. Okay, and now just like we have connected ClickFunnels and Pabbly Connect, now I am going to connect ClickSend with the Pabbly Connect. So first of all, I'll select the action event, that is send SMS. Okay, because I want to perform the same. Now clicking on connect, then clicking on add a new connection. Then for the connection, it is asking for the username and API key, and you can get this API key by clicking on the developers menu and then clicking on this API credentials. Okay, so this is the dashboard. Here is the developer section, here is the API credentials section, and here we have the username as well as the API key. So first of all, I will copy the API key. Let me paste the same here. Then it is asking for the username, so give me a second. Let me also copy this username. All right, and again I'm going to paste the same here, clicking on save, and this is how ClickSend application is also connected with the Pabbly Connect. Here you can notice it is connected. Okay, now it is asking for several details which are actually required for sending an SMS. First of all, it is asking that on which particular number you want to send the SMS. Okay, so remember, I want to send the SMS to my ClickFunnels contact, so I have already captured the phone number of such contacts. And the interesting thing is, I am not going to manually copy the details, the phone number, and paste below again and again for every new contact. I am going to map the above details. Okay, and mapping is very simple. When you will click on this field, you will find the above step data here in the drop down. So let me search for the phone number, and I have mapped it successfully. Okay, so in the same way you can map other details from the drop down. Now what is the importance of mapping? So whatever the details you will map here, these details will be replaced automatically when our automation will work in real time. Now from here I am going to compose the message, and because I am creating this automation for testing purpose, okay, so I am leaving this particular field blank, and it will automatically capture the from phone number asking for the message. Okay, so I will write something like hello, and after this hello I want that the name of the contact should appear here. Okay, so let me search for the first name, then I will give a space and will search for the last name, that is demo customer, adding a comma, pressing enter, and then I will write something like thank you for filling the form, we have received your details. And here I'm going to attach the details like the name, the phone number, as well as the email ID. Okay, you can compose the message as per your requirement. Okay, I am just showing you an example that how you can actually create a message and how you can actually attach the details which will be replaced automatically when our automation will work in real time. But whatever the details I'm providing here manually will remain same, like this hello, thank you for filling the form, we have received your details. These details will remain same and these details will be changed automatically. Okay, asking for the email ID, so let me also search for the same. Okay, so I have mapped all the details successfully. Now I'll directly clicking on this button. If you want, you can also schedule this SMS. Okay, but currently I'll go with the same, but before that I will have to replace this number with my genuine number so that I can show you the screenshot of that SMS. Okay, so give me a second. Alright, so I have provided my genuine number, clicking on this button, save and send test request, and here you can notice the response is received, and in the response it is saying success. Okay, so I will have to check my phone now that whether I have received this SMS or not. Okay, so give me a second. Alright, so I have received the SMS and this is the screenshot of that SMS, and it is the same message, that is, hello demo customer, thank you for filling the form, we have received your details, name, phone number, email ID. And did you notice that how the details have been added automatically in our SMS? Okay, so in this way you can automate the process of sending the SMS to your ClickFunnels contacts with the help of Pabbly Connect. You just need to create this workflow inside Pabbly Connect once. After that, you can sit back and relax because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. Okay, and just in case if you want to access this two-step workflow inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the link of my workflow into the description box. So simply click on this link and then sign up for free into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access the very same workflow inside your own Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.